prove that a plus d plus a plus 2d and so on up to n terms is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So let S of n be the given statement, which is a plus d plus a plus 2d and so on up to n terms. So the nth term of the given series is not given, but if we observe the series, this is a plus d plus a plus 2d. So this is the arithmetic progression with the common difference d in each term. So the nth term of NAP is a plus n minus 1 into d. So nth term is Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So in the first step, we will prove that S of 1 is true. So to do that, we have to substitute 1 in place of Tn. S of 1 is equals to a plus n into n minus 1 means 1 minus 1 into d. So a plus 0 into d is a. So the LHS is 1. Now to get the RHS, we have to substitute the value of 1 in place of S of n. The n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So 1 by 2 into 2a plus 1 minus 1 into d, which is 1 by 2 into 2a plus 0 into d. So half into 2a, 2 times 2 will get cancelled and the answer is a. So now LHS is equals to RHS. Therefore S of 1 is true. Now let us assume that this is true for n is equals to k. So S of n is a plus d plus a plus 2d and so on up to nth term, which is a plus n minus 1 into d, is equals to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So we are assuming that this is true for n is equals to k. So in place of n, we can substitute k. So a plus d plus a plus 2d and so on up to kth term, which is a plus k minus 1 into d is equals to k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d. So now in the step 3, we will prove that this is true for S of k plus 1. To do that, we will write the k plus 1th term first. So kth term is a plus k minus 1 into d. So k plus 1th term will be a plus k plus 1 minus 1 into d. So that will be a plus kd. Adding this term on both sides of the equation 1. So that will be a plus d plus a plus 2d and so on up to kth term, and then we are adding the k plus 1th term. On both sides we are adding the k plus 1th term. Now considering the RHS, k by 2 into 2a plus k minus 1 into d plus k plus 1th term, which we have added. This first term can be written as k into 2a plus k minus 1 into d by 2 plus a plus kd. So making the denominator same, we will multiply the a plus kd with 2. So this will be k into 2a plus k minus 1 into d plus 2a plus 2 into kd by 2. So now multiplying with k, so that will be 2ak plus k into k minus 1 into d plus 2a plus 2kd. Again here multiplying with k, inside k into k will be k square minus k into 1 is minus k into d. So that can be written as 2ak plus k square minus kd plus 2a plus 2kd. So again multiplying with d, so 2ak plus k square d and k into d is minus kd plus 2a plus 2k into d. Since these two terms minus kd plus 2kd are same, so minus 1kd plus 2kd can be written as plus kd. So in the first two terms we have, so further we will simplify these four terms as 2ak plus 2a, because in these two terms we have 2a common. We will write 2ak plus 2a, and in the last two terms we have k and d common. In the first two terms we have 2a common, so that can be written as 2a into k plus 1, and in the last two terms we have kd common. If we take that common, that will be k plus 1. Again in these two terms we have k plus 1 in both the terms, so we will write it as k plus 1 into 2a plus k into d by 2. So now this k can be written as k plus 1 minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. So the value is same. So k can be written as k plus 1 minus 1. So we are writing this to make in the same format of the RHS of the given statement, which is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now if we compare, in place of n we have k plus 1, and here also in place of n we have k plus 1. Therefore, the statement is true for S of n is equals to k plus 1. So by the principle of mathematical induction, S of n is true for all natural numbers.